Now in this video, we're going to have an additional statement in our if-else statement. We call it the elif statement. Elif keyword is just a contraction of else if. Okay, so we can read elif as else if. Okay, but when we encode it on the Python, we use this elif. The conditional statement in elif, you can read it as else if, gets evaluated if the previous if or elif is false. So let's take a look at an example. So here's an example. So for example, we have an integer, no, or a number, okay, and that number will be evaluated whether it is positive, negative, or a zero number. Okay, so previously we only have if and else, so we have only two possible outputs. Okay, we have positive and negative number, but this time we have three possible outputs. We have positive, negative, or the zero. Okay, so we have here the first if we entered a number, okay, for n, then it gets evaluated here in the first if n is greater than 0. If this is false, ang mangyayari dyan is pupunta siya ngayon dito sa elif. Itetest niya ngayon ito. Pag false ulit ito, pupunta na siya dito sa else. Okay, so ganun yan. Mag-start siya dito. If this is true, it will execute this. Okay? But if it is false, pupunta siya dito. And then evaluate niya to. If this is true, ito yung i-execute niya. Pero kapag ito ay false, dito sa else yung i-execute niya. Okay, so let's try the example. Okay, so enter a number, say 10. Okay, so ang lumabas doon, it is a positive number. It is above 0. So ito yung dinisplay niya. Okay, yun yung ginawa niya sa code natin. Okay, and yun, dahil linagay natin positive number siya, so dito, say for example, yung in-enter natin ay 10. 10 is greater than 0. That is true. So, gagawin niya kung ano man yung nandito sa loob. So, yun yung i-display niya. Kaya dinisplay niya yun. What if kapag negative number, of course, iba rin yung ilalagay niya. We have negative 5, for example. Yan. Yan. So, ang lumabas doon is, it is a negative number. It is below 0. Ulitin natin yun. Negative 5. Yan. Yan. So, yan. Ang linabas niya, it is a negative number. It is below 0. Because ang meet niya na condition ay ito. N is less than 0. Okay? Dito siya nag-true, kaya ito yung ginawa niya. Okay? How about pag hindi siya positive or negative? Say 0 ang nilagay natin. Ayan. So, sabi doon, it's neither positive nor negative. It must be 0. Yan na yung dinisplay niya. Okay? Yan. So, doon siya sa else na punta. Okay? Okay, so yun lang yung gamit ng if, elif, and else. Itong elif, you can add as much elif as you want, no, as you need. No? Kung meron pa kayong ibang mga other choices, no, for the computer to do, no, you can add another elif and then the condition that you want to add in that particular elif, and then kung ano man yung mga codes na dapat pa niyang gawin, no? Okay? Mga iba pang mga codes dapat niyang gawin. Okay? So, pwede ninyong gawin yan. Okay, so that is if, elif, and else.